Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to crochet this cutie mini backpack step by step. Make a slip knot. I used a hook no 5mm. Make 6 chains. Make 4 single crochet stitches. And we will make 3 single crochet stitches in the 5th stitch. Make 3 single crochet. And make 2 single crochet in the last stitch. The second round we will work between these 2 loops. Insert between these 2 loops, and in the back we will have 2 loops on the hook. Make 2 single crochet in the first stitch. Then make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now we will make increase. Make 2 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. In the end of increase, we will have 6 single crochet. Then make 3 single crochet and make 2 single crochet in the last 2 stitches. The third round, increase here is 2 single crochet in the same stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Make 2 single crochet in the first stitch. And 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Then make 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. Now we will have 6 stitches from the last increase. We will make 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch and repeat this increase in the 6 stitches. Make 1 single in the next 3 stitches. Now we will have 4 stitches. We will make the same increase in this round. I made 2 single crochet in the same stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch and repeat it in the next 2 stitches. And the last of increase, I'm already made it from the beginning. The end of increase, we will have 9 stitches on both sides. The height is 10 centimeters. The width is 7 centimeters. In the 4th round, we will work in the back loop and insert into these 2 loops. Make single crochet and repeat it until the end of the round. Now we will make work between these 2 loops again. And we will work until the suitable height. Now, we will make the cord that surround of the bag. Make a number of chains. The height of the bag is 10 centimeters. We will insert the cord into the bag. Insert the cord here and get it out from here. And repeat it all around the bag. Insert the cord here and get it out from here. And repeat it all around the bag. Now we will make the straps. Make a number of chains. The height is 35 centimeters. Now we will attach the straps into the bag. Attach 2 straps together into the bag. And attach this strap here and the other in the other side. Now we'll turn the work around and insert here to make the flap. Make a single crochet stitch in each stitch until the end of the row. And we will make this until the suitable height. Make single crochet stitches on the two edges. Thank you for watching. Don't forget comment, like, share and subscribe to get all new videos.